Let's start revision, children. Chapter 1, Numbers. First question, put commas between periods and write the number name according to Indian place value system. First number, we have to write the number name. First we'll write the places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now put the commas, ones, tens, hundreds. Now read the number 87,659. 87,659. Next number, first write the places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. Put the commas, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Now read the number 9,50,804. Now write the number 9,50,804. Next number, write the places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Put the commas, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 7,352. 7,352. Write in figures. Put commas between periods according to the Indian system. Number name is given. We have to write the number. 6,48,982. First we have to write the places up to lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 6,48,982. Now put commas also. Next, 5,32,704. First write the places up to lakhs place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 5,32,704. Now put the commas. Next question, write in the expanded form. 62,548. That is 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 8. Next, 9,75,325. We can expand. 9 lakh plus 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5. Write in the short form. Now when you get questions like this, we have to add and look. 60,000 plus 500 plus 8. 60,508. 5 lakh plus 70,000 plus 60 plus 2. 5 lakh plus 70,000 plus 60 plus 2. 26007. 5. Answer is 5,70,062. 5,70,062. Fill in the blanks with greater than or less than symbol. Now look here. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 digit number. So which is smaller number? 9,999 and greater number 58,276. Here 75,382, 75,832, which is greater number 75,832. 6 lakh 5, 6 lakh 10,005. Here digit is 0, here digit is 1. So 6 lakh 10,005 is greater. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to biggest. Okay, smallest number 574. Then after that 3 more numbers, 9354. Then 2 more numbers, 78,639 and 80,000. So 78,639 and biggest 80,000. Write in descending order. We have to arrange the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 5-digit number, biggest number 1,95,780. 1,95,780. Then 5-digit number 62,830, 75,000. Bigger number 75,000. 2 more numbers, 62,830. And last smallest number 4,692. Next question. Write the smallest and greatest number that can be formed from the following sets of digits without repeating the digits. 6 digits are given here. We have to make the smallest number and the greatest number. Okay, how can we make the smallest number? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. I put commas, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Lakh, 1,26,789. Biggest number, just to reverse it and write 9,8,7,621. 9,87,621. Next question. 5 digits are given. We have to make the smallest 5-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. How can we make the smallest 5-digit number? Here 0 is there. We cannot start with 0. We can start with 2. And we have to write 0 second. 2, 0, 3, 6, 9. 20,369. And how can we make the greatest number? 96320. 96320. 96,320. Express as Hindu-Arabic numerals. Roman numerals are given. We have to write it as Hindu-Arabic numerals. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 10, 20, 30. Plus 8, 38. 10, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 20 plus 9, 29. 10 plus 2, 12. Next, express as Roman numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals are given. We have to write it as Roman numerals. 4. 5 minus 1. IV. 15. 10 plus 5. 26. 10 plus 10 plus 6. 26. 36. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6. 36. 27. 10 plus 10 plus 7. 27. 11. 10 plus 1. 11. Fill in the blanks. The place value of 9 in 6,984 is dash. Place value of 9. Ones, tens, hundreds. 9 hundreds or 900. The place value of 5 in 45,266. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. 5 thousands or 5,000. The place value of 4 in 48,625. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000s. 4 10,000s or 40,000. 40,000. The face value of 3 in 3,286. Face value is the same digit 3. The face value of 9 in 39,470 in. Face value of 9 is 9. Chapter 2, Addition and Subtraction. Add the following. 2 questions are given here. We have to add it. 9 plus 8, 17. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 7 plus 4, 11. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 1,24,167. Next, 0 plus 4, 4. 8 plus 3, 11. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 1,03,440. Next, subtract the following. 70,894 minus 37,485. 4 minus 5 we cannot do. We have to borrow 8. 14. 14 minus 5. 9. 8 minus 8. 0. 8 minus 4. 4. 0 minus 7. Again we cannot do. We have to borrow. 10 minus 7, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. 33,409. Next, 82,651 minus 35,480. 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 8, we cannot do. We have to borrow. 15 minus 8, 7. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 5 we cannot do. We have to borrow. 12 minus 5, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 47,171. Fill in the blanks using the properties of addition. 6,854 plus 0. Same number, 6,854. 6,854. Next question, 3,574 plus 186 equals dash plus 3,574. Answer 186. Next question, 18,657 plus dash equals 18,657 plus 0. This is a story problem. A shopkeeper has 21,654 bags of wheat, 35,219 bags of rice, and 1,160 bags of maize in his godown. Find the total number of bags of food grains in his godown. We have to find the total number. So, first we have to write the steps and then we have to add. First step, number of bags of wheat. Second step, number of bags of rice. Third step, number of bags of maize. Fourth step, total number of bags of food grains. Now we have to write the number and add. When we add, we get 58,033. Total number of bags of food grains equals 58,033. Next question, fill in the blanks. Here we have to use the properties of subtraction. 5,437 minus dash equals 5,437 minus 0. Dash minus 0 equals 4,783. 4,783. 62,935 minus 62,935, 0. Okay, next is a story problem. We have to solve it. There are 56,972 rubber trees in 2 estates. If there are 32,091 rubber trees in one estate, how many rubber trees are there in the other estate? First step, total number of rubber trees. Second step, number of rubber trees in one estate, and we have to find the number of rubber trees in the other estate. So total number of rubber trees 56,972. Number of rubber trees in one estate 32,091. Number of rubber trees in the other estate, we have to subtract 2 minus 1, 1, 7 minus 9. We can now do, we have to borrow 17 minus 9, 8, 8 minus 0, 8, 6 minus 2, 4, 5 minus 3, 2, 24,881. Chapter 3, Multiplication and Division. Fill in the blanks. 42 plus 42 plus 42 equals dash into 42. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 into 42. 76 plus 76 plus 76 plus 76 plus 76. 5 times which number? 76. 5 into 76. 0 divided by 97. 0. 0 divided by any number? 0. 138 into 209 equals dash into 138. 209. 30 into 40. 3 into 4. 12 and 2 zeros. 1200. 285 into 1000. 285 into 1. 285. 1, 2, 3 and 3 zeros. 2,85,000. 840 into 100. 84 into 1. 84 and 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. 84,000. 700 into 27 into 2. 14. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. 14,000. Find the product. 348 into 56. First we have to multiply 8 into 6, 48. 4 into 6, 24 plus 4, 28. 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Now strike these digits. Give a 0 here again. 8 into 5. 8 into 5. 40. 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Now add these digits. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 0 plus 4, 4. 7 plus 2, 9. 19,488. Next question, 307 into 29. 7 nines are 63. 0 into 9, 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 3 into 9, 27. Now strike this. Give a 0 here. 7 into 2. 7 into 2, 14. 0 into 2, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 3 into 2, 6. Add it. 3 plus 0, 3. 6 plus 4, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 8,903. Next question, find the quotient and remainder. 8,392 divided by 6. 8,392 divided by 6. In the table of 6, is there 8? No, Less than 8, yes, 6. How many times? 1. 1, 6, 6. Subtract 8 minus 6, 2. Then bring down 3. 23. Now look, 23. Is there 23 in the table of 6? No. 24, 18. Less than 23, which number? 18. 18 how many times? 3 times. 6 3s are 18. Subtract 3 minus 8. We cannot do, we have to borrow. 13 minus 8, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. Next, bring down 9. 59. Is there 59 in the table of 6? No. 54 is there. 54 how many times? 9 times. 6, 9 times 54. Again subtract 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Next bring down 2. 52. Is there 52 in the table of 6? No. 48, 54, 60. 52 is not there. Less than 52, 48. How many times? 8 times. 6 8s are 48. Again subtract 2 minus 8 we cannot do. 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay. So quotient 1398. 1398 is the quotient, and remainder 4. Next question. 1375 divided by 8. Okay, first number 1, we cannot take 1, it is less than 8, so we have to take 13. 13. In the table of 8, how many times? 1 time. 8 once, 8. 13 minus 8, 5. Then bring down 7. 57. Is there 57 in the table of 8? No. Less than that, 56. How many times? 7 times. 8. 7s are 56. Subtract 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 5, 0. Bring down 5. 15. The table of 8. 8. 16. 15 is not there. Less than that, 8. How many times? 1 time. 8 once, 8. 15 minus 8, 7. Quotient 171 and remainder 7. Write the quotient and remainder. 754 divided by 10. From right, leave one place and separate the number. First part 75 quotient, 4 remainder. 987 divided by 100. From right, separate the digits leaving 2 places. 9 quotient, 87 remainder. 6504 divided by 100. From right, separate the digits leaving 2 places. 65 quotient, 4 remainder. 8395 divided by 1000. From right, leave 3 places and separate the digits. 8 quotient, 395 remainder. 5392 divided by 10. From right, 1 place. 539 quotient, 2 remainder. 4693 divided by 100. From right, 2 places. 46 quotient, 93 remainder. Solve the following. If one jar contains 284 toffees, how many toffees will be there in 36 such jars? First step, Number of toffees in one jar 284. Second step, number of toffees in 36 jars. We have to multiply. Number of toffees in one jar equals 284. Number of toffees in 36 jars equals 284 into 36. 4 into 6, 24. 8 into 6, 48 plus 2, 50. 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. Strike the digits. Give 0. 4 into 3, 12. 8 into 3, 24 plus 1, 25. 2 into 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Now add 4 plus 0, 4, 0 plus 2, 2, 7 plus 5, 12, 8 plus 1 plus 1, 10. 10,224. Next question. Renu bought 8 pens for rupees 1,216. All the pens are of the same price. How much did each pen cost? First step, cost of 8 pens equals 1,216 rupees. Second step, cost of 1 pen. We have to divide. 1,216 divided by 8. Now let us divide. 1 8's 8. Subtract 4, bring down 1, 41. 5 8's 40. Subtract 1 minus 0, 1, bring down 6, 16, 2 8's 16. So answer is 152. Cost of 1 pen equals rupees 152. Chapter 4, Multiples and Factors. Write the first 6 multiples of 7. First 6 multiples of 7. The first 6 multiples of 7 are 1 7 7, 2 7 14, 3 7 21, 4 7 28, 5 7 35, 6 7 42. Write the first 4 multiples of 8. The first 4 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32. Write the first 5 multiples of 3. The first 5 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Write the first 10 multiples of 2 and 5. Also find the LCM of 2 and 5. First we had to find the multiples of 2 and 5, then common multiples, then LCM. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. The first 10 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now we have to find the common multiple 10, 20. Common multiples 10 and 20. Now we can find the LCM, lowest common multiple or least common multiple 10. LCM 10. Next question. Write the first 10 multiples of 6 and 8. Also find the LCM of 6 and 8. First we have to write the multiples of 6 and 8. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Now we have to find the common multiples. The common multiples of 6 and 8. 24 and 48. Now we have to find the LCM, least common multiple 24.